So coming to this, we have three different types of algae. So we have chlorophycia. So these are none other than classes. Phaeophycia, rhodophycia. Okay, so let's see to include these things with the colors. So first, chlorophycia. Habit, mostly fresh water. Okay, that means rarely it will be found in brackish and sea water or marine water. And next, pigments. Chlorophyll A and B and beta carotenoids. Coming to cell wall. Outer pectin, inner cellulose. Preserved food material, pyrenoid. So protein in the center surrounded by starch. Protein surrounded by starch. So for phaeophycia, we'll go with brown. Mostly marine, rarely fresh. You have pigments are chlorophyll A and C. Xanthophylls and fucoxanthin. The cell wall consists of algin or alginic acid, which is hydrocolloidal. And the stored material is laminarin and mannitol. And coming to the rhodophycia. So red algae, these are also mostly marine, benthonic, which means deeper, and some are freshwater. Chlorophyll A and D. R means red, phyco, erythrin. R, phycobilins. And next, here we have agar agar and carrageenan. And the stored food is Floridian starch, which is very equal to amylopectin का glycogen. So let's talk about flagella. For flagella it is 2 to 8, equal and apical. Here it is 2, unequal, lateral. and here you have no flagella. Coming to the common names, so this we call it as red algae, and this we call it as brown algae, and this we call it as green algae. Right? Let's talk about the examples part. First, green algae. U for Ulothrix. S for Spirogyra. V for Volvox. C for Chlamydomonas. Chara. Cladophora. Chlorella. And this for Spirulina. So how to use these examples? Coming to the reproduction part. Asexual and sexual and life cycle. Haplodiplomatic and diplomatic. Coming to asexual, you have fragmentation and spores, zoospores. Coming to sexual, we have isogamous, anisogamous, oogamous. For isogamous, remember Ulothrix. So Ulothrix is motile. And Spirogyra is non-motile. And anisogamous Idorina. And oogamous Fucus Volvox. And for diplomatic, the example is Fucus dictyota. And for haplodiplomatic, it is Ectocarpus. So this Ulothrix, when it comes to Ulothrix, she is isogamous and flagellated or motile. So Ulothrix is filamentous. Ulothrix and filamentous. Volvox is colonial. Chlamydomonas is unicellular. Chlorella is also unicellular. And this is mainly used by space travelers. Chlorella and Spirulina. Next thing. brown algae. So coming to the brown algae, remember self defense, sargassum, ectocarpus having haplodiplomatic, laminaria. Laminarian is the food, laminaria is the organism. Fucus, dictyota. So sargassum we can also call it as sea lettuce. Sorry, this is not. Porphyra we call it as sea lettuce. This is brown algae. And next we'll see for red algae, which is benthonic. You can find in the deep waters. Remember PG. Porphyra, Polysiphonia, Gelidium, Gracilaria. So these are the things regarding algae. Thank you.